11. Do not be possessive. Understand that ladies are not your ownerships. No man ever owns his lady. 12. Live in the minute. If you don't, you'll forget too much and miss out on every opportunity, succumbing to continuous fear. 3. Don't shuffle around like you're walking on eggshells. Take note of your body posture. 14. When you have something important to say, call her. Don't text or email. The key here is to make it understood that she is an essential part of your life. 15. Be casual about rejection. Flirt, talk, and then try your luck. If she rejects you, do not make it so obvious by hanging your head down and looking all blue. When that occurs, do not be surprised if 5 women in a row all reject you. 16. Never ever commemorate after scoring her number. Cut the high fives and rubbish out with your buddies. Ladies will look for your response. By not revealing how you feel within, you'll appear in control and collected. Understand that rejection is simply a fabricated emotion. In truth, it doesn't even exist. You have definitely nothing to fret about. 18. Put your immediate goals aside when trying to bring in women. What I suggest by that is don't approach with only the job of getting her contact number. The secret here is to prevent looking desperate, because your mind will literally be so concentrated on getting that number. Not the other method around. 19. Take it gradually. When you start dating somebody, it is best to take your time, move slowly, and really get to know one another. This creates a level of comfort and trust in the relationship and sets it up for correct dating rules. 20. Instead of counting on the flirting, why not simply utilize your natural appeals to win them over? 21. Make a good first impression. And dating, very first impressions play a big function in the future of the relationship. So, you want to look your best, feel your finest, and do what you can to get yourself put together. 22. Ditch your typical routine and develop a new idea. Or too many males currently have their dating playbook filled out. They have their preferred restaurants and date areas that they continue to recycle for each date. Instead of drawing on these locales, fulfill somewhere different whenever. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.